Namaste everyone. Myself Mr. Kiran Chalke and my registration number is MTE090. I serve as an assistant teacher at Kokon Education Society's Prabhakar Narayan Patil Madhyamik Shala Kalsuri, Taluka Masala, District Raigad. I would like to present a video-based PowerPoint presentation as a part of Master Trainer Training Program under Quality Improvement in Math Education Project by Rashtriya Madhyamik Shiksha Abhiyan and IIT Bombay. My group topic is Geometric Construction, under which I am going to share the presentation to draw a perpendicular bisector of a line segment. Observe the following figures and state what kind of figures they are. Great, all these are lines. Here we can see line L, line M, line P, line K and line S. Now let us observe some more figures. Fine, all these are line segments. Segment AB, segment SR, segment XY, segment PQ and segment MN. Now let us have a look to some other figures. What are these figures called? Yes, right. These figures are nothing but intersecting lines. We can see line M and line N are intersecting each other. Line P and line L are intersecting each other. Now we are going to observe some interesting objects. You have to find out what is done with these things. See, here are a cake and a bread sandwich. Someone is trying to cut them into two equal halves. Observe some more pictures. We can see the same is done here with these objects also. A stair is divided into two equal parts by a yellow colored strip, and a fruit is also cut into two equal halves or equal parts. Again observe some quadrilaterals. We can see these quadrilaterals, all of these quadrilaterals are also divided or cut into two equal parts. So what is cutting or dividing into two equal parts is nothing but bisecting. An apple is cut into two equal parts. A wooden bridge is also burned exactly at the center and is divided or cut into two equal parts. To bisect is to cut into two equal parts. What is a bisector? Anything that cuts another geometric figure into two equal parts is a bisector. Here we have some more pictures. Let us observe them. We can see a railway track crossing unit and a particular design on handkerchief. Here a mason is doing his work at a construction site. He is using a string and doing his work at a construction site. What is the common thing you observe amongst all these pictures? Yes, right. We observe that the railway tracks, lines on handkerchief, mason line strings, all they are intersecting at a 90-degree, that is right angle. So combining these two concepts of bisecting and intersecting at a right angle, we can understand what exactly the perpendicular bisector of a segment is. What does perpendicular mean? A line, ray or line segment is perpendicular to a given figure if it is at a right angle, that is 90 degree to that figure. Perpendicular bisector definition. A perpendicular bisector is the line, line segment or ray that bisects a given line segment or side of a polygon at a right angle to that line segment or side of a polygon. Let us observe some more pictures to find out a property of a perpendicular bisector of a line segment. Here, a heart line segment is drawn and a line is a perpendicular bisector of that heart line segment. We can observe at the both sides of that intersecting lines the number of hearts are equal. This is the perpendicular bisector of that heart segment. 3 star-shaped points are taken on this intersecting line, and we can observe the distance of that point from both the endpoints of that line segment, and we can say they are exactly at the equal distance from both the ends of this heart line segment. Each point on the perpendicular bisector is equidistant from each of the endpoints of the original line segment. It means if we want to draw a perpendicular bisector of a line segment, we should have a set of minimum 2 points equidistant from endpoints of that segment. So today we are going to learn how to draw a perpendicular bisector of a line segment by getting 2 points equidistant from each points of the line segment. Here a perpendicular bisector of segment PQ is drawn. Using this property and after learning how to draw perpendicular bisector, we can solve many problems related to draw a perpendicular bisector. So first one here is draw a line segment AB equals to 10 cm. Draw its perpendicular bisector. Name the point of intersection of the segment and perpendicular bisector as O. Draw perpendicular bisector of segment AO and segment BO in the same figure. Second one, draw major angle ABC equals to 70 degree so that length BC equals to length BA equals to 8 cm. Draw a perpendicular bisector of segment BC and segment BA. Name the point of intersection of these two perpendicular bisectors as M. Draw ray BM and state whether major angle ABM and major angle CBM are congruent. Third one, draw an equilateral triangle having a side 6 cm. Draw perpendicular bisectors of all 3 sides and state whether all 3 perpendicular bisectors are congruent. Fourth one, draw a circle having center O and radius 4 cm. Take a point M 8 cm away from center O. Draw a perpendicular bisector of segment OM. How many points are common between circle and perpendicular bisector? Fifth one, draw a line segment XY equals to 8 cm. Fix following points equidistant from point X and Y. Point A and the distance from point X and Y is 5 cm. Point B, the distance should be 7 cm. Point C at 8 cm and point D 6 cm. Join the points A, B, C, D. State whether points A, B, C, D are collinear. If yes, what is line AB called with respect to segment XY? Thank you. Thank you very much for watching.